Hi class, I hope everyone's doing well today. I am going to show you how to get into your OneNote notebook on Schoology today, because that's where we are going to use our OneNote notebooks a lot and we need to activate them. So follow along. Of course, I'm always going to kind of use English 1 as an example, but you're basically going into your English 1 period, English 2, and I'm going to go into period 1. And on the left side, this is my screen, but on the left side, you're going to see a list of things and you're going to scroll down. And of course, I know I have a lot more than you guys do. You're going to scroll down until you see a purple tab and it's called OneNote Class Notebook. And you're going to click on it and you're going to activate it. You will probably be asked to sign in to OneNote. So you'll have to use your student number and your ID. And you're going to click in and go into it. And I'm going to walk over to the page that you will see when you head in. So if it's period 1, you're going to see a notebook with a bunch of stuff on the side. And what I'm going to show you is just kind of walk you through. You're going to see the welcome, and it's kind of introducing you to OneNote. So play around with it and get used to it. And welcome is just kind of showing you what there is. There's student notebooks, content library, and collaboration space, and I'm going to go over that too just right now. Collaboration space is us as a class can post things, so we can always click the page and add a new page and maybe post something, type something, or you can even insert files and pictures in this kind of thing. So if you like using your hands and writing or drawing and you take a picture of something and you want to post it in, these are types of ways that you might submit your assignments as well. But collaboration is a class community page. Content library will be a very important place because this is where I will be posting all of our assignments. I will usually push them through into your different sections, but if you can't find them, they will be in content library, okay? And you can always move them yourself from the content library into your own. So I'm going to use this student's notebook. When you open your notebook, you will see writing drafts, reading reflections, mini lessons, reading log, vocabulary, and quick writes. It's not in any order. In fact, I think they were doing it alphabetically, but I don't even see it alphabetically right now. But you will be asked when we're doing assignments to go into those particular sections and to do the assignments in whichever one. So please pay attention as class proceeds to which folder you need to go into. Writing drafts will be when we're doing our big pieces of writing and we're working through the drafts from first to final through the revision process. The reading log is that you're expected to be reading and then jotting down what you're reading. So when we meet one-on-one, we can talk about the books that you're reading and I can see kind of the progression through your reading log. Reading reflections, you'll be asked to write and respond to some of the readings that you are doing. And then mini lessons are those lessons of looking at writer's craft and analyzing it and becoming writers like that. And then of course, vocabulary, as you go through this year and you're reading or you're coming across words, pop those vocabulary words in and build a running list of new vocabulary words, okay? So these different folders, I do expect you to be progressing and building throughout the year, and this is where I go to look at them as well. Quick Writes is where you're gonna have to go today, and in Quick Writes, you're going to see an assignment called What Did You Do This Summer? And you're going to click on the tab and then you'll start typing away on your Quick Writes, okay? Not like that. You'll be saying what I did. I went to Stillhouse Lake a lot this summer. Stillhouse Hollow Lake this summer. Almost every day. And then I'm gonna, as I write too, usually I just kind of put out some words for 3 minutes and then I'll go back and revise. And we'll be doing these kinds of quick writes quite often, so we'll get into that. I can see that my word right there. is supposed to be 2 words. I spent a lot of time reading, running, biking, and I guess working in the garden. My favorite times were in the morning. When I went out for a run or a bike ride, usually to Dana Peak. Okay, so you're just kind of letting me know, sharing what you did this summer through the quick writes, okay? So that is the OneNote that I want you to open up today. And then of course, after, once you've done that, you can also head over to Flipgrid. And the tab is right in, of course, week of August 17th, day 2. 2 truths and a lie. And here what you're going to do is you're going to introduce yourself with your name. Please make sure you introduce your name so that I can learn how to pronounce it correctly. And then, of course, you're going to talk about 3 things about yourself, but 2 things will be true and 1 will not be true. And of course, don't give it away. Let us guess it. And of course, after, we'll start watching our classmates and we'll respond on each other's Flipgrids, identifying which one we think is the lie, and of course, introducing ourselves. Okay, so I'll see you guys on Flipgrid and also in OneNote. Have a great day.